Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I'm normally used to doing, and I'm going to be talking about interior design. Yes, interior design can be a scary topic to talk about, and I'm not a professional, but I do have passion for interior design and streaming the web on different color concepts, different things that work in rooms. And you know, eventually I'd like to find my own space, which is what I'm aiming towards, and getting ideas of potential candidates for what could work in our space and what might not work in a space. So if you'd like to know more about my ideas on making a small space seem bigger, stay tuned. So to start off, my space that I have in my house, right now I'm still living at home, the space that I have in my house is my bedroom, and it is quite small. You can tell I have a twin bed that I've had since I was 16 years old, which is a very long time, and the space is kind of small. So when I first moved into this house, I wanted to paint my room a bright lavender color, and I had no idea. I just liked purple and I wanted to throw it on the walls. That lasted for about 2 years, and I just said, I need some change. I need some grown-up change, because after I graduated high school, I was like, I need some change. Like, what can I do to brighten up this space? And I decided to try some accent colors. Accent colors are great for small spaces because it's a way to make a room feel bigger when it's not. So for example, my space obviously is kind of small, so I chose two colors for my space. I chose a dark purple and a light gray. The light gray colors I chose to put on the side of my windows. So where my window is, that wall was gray, and the reflection, so the opposite side of that wall, was also gray. And then my adjacent walls were dark purple. And honestly, it made a huge difference, and it just made the room feel more sophisticated. So as I was also playing around with what kind of furniture I would like and the color scheme for my furniture, and I chose black. And you can also choose like a gray colors or white colors to go with this color concept, but I really enjoy black toned colors for furniture. My nightstands are black, my curtains are black, my picture frames on the walls are black, and I did eventually get a duvet cover that was also black, but I just felt like that was too much black, especially when it came to the bed. So for the bed, I decided to throw in some grays on there and some hints of black and purples on my bed. So it's not just like all black on my furniture and like just the walls are two different colors. So that's how I played around with color for my bedroom. So I decided for the bed, I decided gray for my bed and with hints of purple and black. Doing a small space, you have to think about what you can also declutter as well. And I've had to throw out a lot of personal stuff that are just like cluttered up the space. And you know, if you haven't used it in over a year, it's probably best that you chuck it, because there's no point in keeping something when you don't actually use it on a day-to-day basis. So that's another thing when it comes to small spaces, decluttering, getting rid of stuff that you don't use, and that will also enhance the small space and make it seem a little bigger, because you know, who wants to have a small space and feel like you're in a box, right? You want to make it roomy, you want to make it livable, like you're gonna be in this space. So how can you make it livable? Try and find colors and things that kind of complement each other, and especially for a small space, declutter and find light colors that will kind of make the space seem bigger and brighter. And you know what? Play around with different things. Play around with color, play around with accent colors, play around with furniture that, you know, could eventually, you know, bring out, you know, the space. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.